That's about right. Whoa, that's enough. Let's try that. We're getting ready to go do a little spraying over at Grandpa's. Little spring broadleaf spraying. So we're trying to kill some clover and some dandelions. We got our sprayer all hooked up to this garden tractor named Bill. Eva's checking the oil and putting oil in it. How's it look?
It's about to here.
I think it's right on the mark, isn't it?
Almost.
I'd say that's good.
Yeah.
Nice. We'll put it back in the funnel cabinet. It's over there somewhere. Good job, Eva. So here's my little homemade 3-point sprayer. This is a sprayer that I bought at an auction. It was on little wheels. So basically all that's left of that is the tank. I got my own pump and I built the wings with the tips.
Why are you putting water in it?
We're going to put a little water and a little vinegar to clean this out to make sure there's no residual spray in there from last year. You see that? See the little particulate that's on there? And rinse it out. I don't have any of the tips on. I got a switch there and then I have a switch here. Check out my on-off switch. It's ergonomic, handheld. I can hold it while I'm running the hydro. Turns the pump on. You want to try it? There you go. I'm going to empty the tank of all that foamy water. I got a quick connector right here. Okay, and that's going to drain that tank. Swish it all around and get that tank all cleaned out. "12 ounces to 12 gallons. It's early spring and we're spraying for clover and dandelions so we can get them under control. I prefer to spray them in the fall after the second frost, but we're going to do it now so we can get it under control and then spray again in the fall. Thanks, partner.
You're welcome.
You guys did well today. So you were my maintenance helper. You checked the oil and filled it with oil. And you were my camera girl. And you put the tractor away for me. We got Grandpa's yard sprayed. Well, you guys didn't go with me, but I got it sprayed. And now hopefully the dandelions and the clover will be gone. We'll be ready for summer mowing, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, girls.
You're welcome.
But that's going to wrap it up for me today. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about what I was spraying or the rates I was doing, put them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer if you have any questions. So, all right. See you in the next one. Thanks. Take care.